Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 96 Grand Sport Corvette. This baby's sweet. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on a lift so you can see how clean the bottom side is. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna put some more miles on it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Grand Sport investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. No stone chips on it. The paint is phenomenal. Definitely kept indoors its entire life. This car was babied from day one. It is gorgeous, guys. And we're gonna go out and drive it. This thing is sweet. I've not had the chance to drive this one yet. I have driven these cars before. They are little rocket ships, 6-speed trans. Of course, that Corvette Grand Sport motor making all kind of power. Look at this thing. It still has the new car smell in it. It's amazing, guys. 6-speed, beautiful interior. Again, only 3,900 miles. Very well kept throughout the years. She is gorgeous. I love how the target top matches right inside the window there. You can pop this thing up. It is amazing. Look down the side of the car. How straight she is. Everything is nice and clean. Just as slick as can be, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. We buy about 40 new cars every month, and we have about 220 in stock right now. We own every one of those cars. So give us a call at 248-974-9513, and we can park this dream in your drive. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you get my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Grand Sport for a ride. I tell you what, these Corvettes are badass. 3,912 miles on this one. You better buy it up quick, because I tell you what, I think I'm gonna put some miles on this one. It is sweet, guys. These Grand Sports are badass. I love them. I tell you, I tell the story all the time when I'm driving these cars. I didn't used to get Corvettes, you know. I saw guys out driving Corvettes, and I didn't get it. But you know what? The reason I didn't get it, because I'd never driven one. Well, I get it now. These things are sweet. Just an amazing ride. The engineering, the speed, the way they handle, everything about this car is cool as hell. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. If you need help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Right now we've got 3 bankers we work with on financing. It only takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream's parked in your driveway and you're having fun like me. Car is amazing, guys. Super low mileage on the car, running like a top. Now the air conditioning kicked on all by itself, and I tell you what, it is kicking out cold as can be. I gotta figure out how to turn it down because it's about got my right leg frozen. So if you want to come visit us, we'd love to have you. Come on out. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. As you can see down here on the dash, everything looks brand spanking new. Everything's working. The car is amazing. If you want to drive out on a Saturday and check out our inventory, we're here till 3 o'clock on Saturdays. Just come on out. Let Tom know you're coming so we know which car you're interested in. We've got 220 cars right now in stock. We've got 80,000 square feet, but you know what? Every now and then a car gets pretty far behind. It'll get 6 or 7 cars deep, and it may take us a minute to get it out. We want to make sure we got your favorite car right up front so you can check it out. Now we're going to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're going to pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Grand Sport investment. Well, here's our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're going to get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Corvette now, and man, she's pretty under here. Look at all the aluminum's nice and bright. Look, even the foam behind the bumper, it's still white. That aluminum frame's looking great. Everything under here is nice and clean. We got the stock rear end on it, of course. That's a 345 gear. And look, even the paint on the floorboards still looking original. She's beautiful. All the lines look good. All the wiring looks good. Nice and clean. We got the 6-speed manual trans. The cats even look like they're brand new. Lower control arm aluminum looks good. Of course, the car's got disc brakes all the way around. Front end's not scraped up. It's beautiful. The nose, the paint here looks good. I mean, it looks just like what it is, a low mileage Corvette. She is gorgeous. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, the rim doesn't look like it's got a mark on it. Now we do believe these are the original tires on the car. So we suggest if you're gonna drive this car a lot that I'd put a new set of tires on it and keep these in my garage as a collectible because they're the original tires that were on the car. They are 275/40 17s up front. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here we have 315 35 17s. And again, we believe these are the original tires, so same speech as the front tires. Keep them, but if you're gonna drive the car a lot, you're gonna wanna put some tires on this car. Let's get under the hood. All right, this has got the LT4 motor. That's an upgraded LT1, guys. She's making more horsepower. It said 330 horse, 340 foot-pounds of torque. Beautiful engine compartment here. Of course, everything's nice and clean. You can tell the car has been very, very well kept throughout the years. I don't even see any dust, cobwebs, nothing under here. It's all original, just like it was from the factory. The car is amazing, guys. Low mileage, well kept Corvette here, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway.